Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Let me show you something today. So this is gonna be a short video for those people who are wondering, like, how do you fix those like my car right here. As you can see, they're starting to have this bubble right here for the clear coat here coating, and then it start coming out, and you were wondering how you fix this thing. So I talked to one of my friend at the touch-up shop, and he said there's no way you can fix this. The only way is you bring it to the shop, they send it down, the whole thing, and then they probably repaint it, and that's the only solution to permanently fix this thing. But he said what you can do is, just for temp, to cover it up, you can remove it. Let me see, I'm not gonna move it. See, like, you can move it, you can scratch this out. I'm doing with my finger, but slowly you can scratch it out. Really scratch it out. And then he said the most important thing is, because the depend on the color. If you have a white color, then it's very easy to buy the paint and match it up. But if you have a color like mine, the red one right here, it's really hard to match up the color. So, but the closest you can get is you have to buy the original paint, the original touch-up paint, which is cost a little bit more, but it do a pretty good job at matching it up. So you want to do this, you got to do it that way. So let me show you the original matchup paint. So make sure you buy the original one, okay? If you buy the third-party one, it's not gonna match up well, especially with red color. He said, especially with red color, green, those things pretty hard to match up to the correct color that you have, because also your paint is in the sun for a real long time and it started fading out, so it's not gonna be good. But you want to buy one of these. This is the original, the OEM Toyota paint, and this one will work a lot better than your third party. So don't go cheap, okay? Just buy this one. They have a little eraser in the front that you can take it out. You see that? It's a lot easier. Take it out with this. So take your time trying to get it out. As you can see, it's a little messed up, but we're gonna repaint it with this. So do a little touch up with that, so it should be fine. Anyways, my best bet is to use your fingernail if you have one. Try and remove as much as possible. And of course, some of you are gonna say, well, why don't you use a sandpaper, right? But if you use a sandpaper, it's gonna cost a lot more scratch than cover up. Then you need to paint it to cover it up. So you're gonna make it a little bit more worse. Also, the sandpaper will scratch the paint more instead of it's just the coating outside. But that's just me. If you want to use the sandpaper, that's fine. Using a grit like 200, 2000 or 1000, that should do it. So trying to get all the clear coat that's popping out off as much as possible. Like I said, after you're done with this, it's not going to be perfect, but it's a lot better than before. Okay, so I got pretty much all of them coming out. So I did this before, as you can see down here. There's a couple of it, and I just did a touch up right here. As you can see, if you cannot see that well, it's right here. So that's the best you can do. So even the paint expert said that that's the only best you can do. I mean, you want to do better, you better have a shop tool, like the detail shop tool. It's gonna cost you money just for this. Or the best permanent one is just they sand it down and then they repaint the whole car, which is gonna cost you thousands of dollars. So he said this is the best way. This is the 10 fix. Okay, as you can see, most of the paint is coming out. I mean, most of the clear coat, that's the bubble that's coming out, peeling out. So I remove all that, and all now you do is just use your touch-up paint, shake it, and then let's do some touch-up. Let's do some touch-up. Hopefully I don't spill a whole bunch of them. As you can see, I did up here. Put some more. Touch-up down here. There you go. As you can see, there's some touch-up. As I say, it's not gonna be perfect, but you just basically right now you're just protecting the paint inside and also the clear coat from expanding the bubble. So now that's how it is, and after you finish this, let it dry for about 30 minutes and then put another coating on it, and then just wait for another 30 minutes, and if you need, just put another coating in it. And if you want to put another clear coat on it, you just have to wait for at least 24 hours so get this paint all completely dry. Then you put a clear coat on, and that's it. And that's how you fix your clear coat peeling on your car. So hopefully that's helpful if you thinking about doing it, and if you think, oh, which one is the correct method. So I got personal advice from a real detail shop friend of mine. He told me that's how you're supposed to do it. All right, so that's it for this video. I hope you find it informative and useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.